Can we ever undo or reduce sun damage that has already occurred?
So our skin starts to become sun damaged from a very, very early age. This is why sun protection in children is crucial. Sun damage appears generally in our 30s and 40s, but it is due to sustained damage over the years when we've had been out in the sun without any UV protection. Is it possible to undo sun damage? Well, yes, to a degree it is, because sun damage is not the same as other types of skin damage, and there are components that can be reversible. I tell you something very interesting. Just by wearing sunscreen every single day, you are giving your skin a chance to repair itself, even if it is already significantly sun damaged. So the more you wear sunscreen, the better it is for your skin health. But the obvious signs of sun damage, which tend to be a thicker skin, orange peel looking skin on the nose and the chin, pigmentation and red veins, all those issues can be improved. You might want to talk to your dermatologist about some treatment options, but a very new concept using lycopene, which is an extract from tomatoes, very exciting. And we've taken advantage of this and developed it into a brand new serum. So lycopene has been clinically proven in international clinical studies to reverse sun damage, to protect our collagen, to improve pigmentation and reduce redness.